Hi, my name is Ashutosh Bharadwaj. Welcome to my LifePage, guys. Today I'm going to talk about digital marketing as a career option. But before that, let me give you a short introduction of who I am and where I come from. Like, I did my schooling from Somerville School, Vasundhara Enclave a long time ago. After that, I did chemical engineering. I graduated in chemical engineering. I worked in an MNC for a couple of years as an engineer. And after that, I got bored of it. I started doing an MBA in international business. After that, I had a stint in entrepreneurship. I worked for 3 years, and then I got the opportunity to learn digital marketing. And right now I work as a marketing head in Broomberg Cleaning Services Private Limited. Normally, if you were to know about some product or some service, you would watch a television ad, you would read about it in the newspaper, like you would see an ad in the newspaper or on the radio. These are conventional channels of marketing in which you use a certain channel like television or radio to put your message across. Now, this is very cost consuming. It's very hard to do for a small company. Plus, nowadays, a lot of people, almost everybody, especially youngsters, are moving from television, from radio to the internet. They have their mobile phones with them. So there is an opportunity to market, to put your message across to whom you want to sell it on the internet. And that's what digital marketers do. Digital marketers, I would say, use. First point is mathematics. You need to have good analytical skills to become a marketer. And for that, you need to be good in maths. Now, mathematics is really important for you to become a digital marketer because of the analytics that is involved in marketing. The best part about digital marketing is that you can measure everything that you do, and to measure and analyze and to help you make that thing make a difference, you need to be very good at mathematics and very good at understanding numbers. So yes, maths is really important for becoming a digital marketer. First is creativity. Obviously, you have to be creative because you're creating amazing things. You're taking concepts and you're putting it to people in a way that they really love it. So yes, if you're the creative type, you've been the type who's always participated in co-curricular activities, you're the one who's always on stage and who's very creative, very energetic. This is a skill which is very important to become a marketer and a digital marketer. First is growth opportunities. Digital marketing has been around for only 5 years. Every company is pretty excited about starting a digital marketing division. And so there are a lot of opportunities, a lot of jobs in this unconventional field. The first thing is that you need to know everything about digital marketing. You cannot think of it in parts. You cannot say that you are going to be simply a social media manager or an ads manager. You need to have a holistic understanding of what the industry is and what you can do with the tools, which might be really challenging because there's a lot of hard work involved. I start my day a bit late because I start office at 11, so I wake up at 9, do the usual things, get to office. Once I'm usually in office till 8, sometimes even late when we are doing some kind of a project. We do a lot of meetings, we sit on a lot of dashboards, do a lot of creative things, we make social media posts, we make videos, we make interesting things that people like. I work with my team and the experience is really good. I hope I've given you a balanced view on digital marketing. Thank you.